Hello guys, this is ZackTech90 and today we are talking about the Windows 8 release preview. So this is the Windows 8 and as you can see I am on desktop, but here's no start button and here's the Metro UI. That's the new thing about it. There's people talking about it and it's good, it's bad, and the reviews you already may see the videos on YouTube, on many sites. That's the Windows make the really big change to their user interface. So that's why I'm talking about it today, and we are looking at what's good and what's bad. So let's get started. First of all, I don't wanna call it. Some people calling it Windows 8, but I call it the mixture of Windows 7 and the Metro UI. This is Windows 7. You can use everything that you are using in previous version of Windows. I mean Windows 7. Everything is here. Your computer, your documents, everything. And something is new is that Metro UI. For example, you are on desktop and you want to open any program. You have to go here, search, type music, and here we are with two kind of music. This one is a window media player. No, this is not actually window media player, and everything we can search every program like Windows here without going to start. No, we can search anything here. Also, also we can go here to find the that thing, like here it is, the Windows media player, where it is. Actually it's not showing here, but that's what I want to talk about. And another thing, the Windows 7 have 16 gig free space to run it. Okay, so in this case Windows 8 showing the Microsoft say that you also need 16 gig. Well, that's not true, because in Windows 8 we have two kind of applications. For example, I have Google Chrome here. Google Chrome is supported Windows 8. We have also here, and we have also here. This one is not the same one. This is the Metro UI Google Chrome, and this one is the normal. What the difference between? There's not much difference between these two apps. What the different basic difference I want to show you is there is no cross and minimize and that kind of buttons. So that's only the change with that. I have to close it like this, drag down. Okay, so Google Chrome is supported Windows 8. If you download it from their own site and install it, it will also show you an icon here for the Metro UI. So that's a good thing. We have two kind of apps, but that's a bad thing because everything we install, it's a two kind, and it's take more space in our hard drive. So people, yeah, I already no, I am not telling them, but I'm going to show you an example. Uh, Not a good thing about Microsoft Windows 8 of this UI. For example, I'm going to music, and here we have the music. Okay, so I want to open some music file, some file like want to show you that what is the bad thing about it. There's no volume button. There is no volume button for turn the volume down in here. We have to go on the desktop and open up our volume, and so that's very bad. And why is that? I am going to show you. Because the Metro UI designed for the tablets, and tablet have their volume rocker button in hardware, I mean in the side of the tablet or like that. So there's no volume button in these Metro apps if they are about the music. And there's so many things like that will be uh, in the next I mean when it's released. If these problems are still there, this will be flop. I'm that's my opinion. But you can do you can use your window media player, regular window media player here on the desktop that have volume button. And other things, we have some good apps. For example, we have a weather app that tell us the forecast about today, and always you can always check out the different places, world weather, and like that. And that's a nice app. And every app is, I mean, low size in Metro UI because it's more like a mobile phone or like a tablet. So the app's size is really low. It's not so big like in a PC app. We download any player and it have some 20 or 30 MBs. But in here, if you download any player, for example, we have here music. Where is the music? If you download the music player, it's just KBs. Uh, As you can see, only 9 MBs. This one really big actually. But I see most of app in 1 MB or 2 MB like that. So this is really nice about it. So just because it's not using any gradient color in app, it's just using the same colors of the tiles and like that. So it's faster to load. There's no lag about it. It's fast. That's why the window is, I think, the fastest Windows yet for the Microsoft. So, so that's I wanna tell you about the bad things. That is, they are not designing apps for the PC. Even they give the Metro UI in a PC. I mean Metro UI option in PC, or they have to make apps like a PC compatible, or they have to remove this Metro UI from Windows 8 and make it some new feature. That's I wanna talk about. That's I wanna tell all of you. And if they are making like this, they have to make a compatibility with every device, the touch, without touch, PC, laptops, tablets, and all. Uh, I mean, like Android is starting to build their operating system for the PCs, and they will do like something like that. And also Windows have to do something like that to make the apps compatible with all devices, all platforms. Okay, so their apps are good. I'm not talking that apps are bad, but they are, I mean, the apps developers, they are from Microsoft, or they are some other personal professional developer. They are designing for tablets. Okay, so there's something bad about this is the bad about the PC users. Also, I tried the GTA 4 on the Windows 8, and the GTA 4, actually the graphics are good from Windows 7, but the problem is actually not the problem. It's the same. I think the Windows 7 and Windows 8 running the games same, not any kind of give you a faster gaming experience or slower. It's the same. Maybe in the future we see some thing about it. Okay, so if you go to store, we have already some apps here, all apps, and there are so many apps. First I installed that OS, and I think there's no much apps because it's a new OS. But here you can see it's many apps already developed. The Fruit Ninja, the games we have, and in PC they also have to make a cross or close button. We don't like to drag. Actually, I don't like to drag it like this. And also we have an option to make two apps of stick together like this, and here we can see two apps working on our desktop, and I can open things here. I can do some work, then I check out my weather. That's really nice. Metro and desktop. So that's it. I think that's it about the Windows 8. I don't want to talk about more. Okay? Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.